Greetings and welcome to the channel. I'm Jason with VectorVest, and this is Investing for Beginners. On today's episode, we're going to be covering the topic of what is investing. So if you've made it this far into the video, you might be thinking, but Jason, why do I need to know what investing is? I know what investing is. I'm here on this channel, so of course I know what investing is. But let's actually talk about what investing is. Now, investing is a very broad term. It can mean monetary, it can mean time, it can mean resources, it can mean a plethora of things. And one of the big things with investing is you always want to get a return out of your investment, thus making your investment a good investment. Now, we've all had bad investments in the past, but we always try to make sure that we generate a good return on our investments. So one of the big things with investing is always making sure that you are going to be getting the best possible result out of your investment. Like I said, whether it be monetary, whether it's time, or whether it's materials. Obviously, as you're watching this video, you are investing your time in order to get a return of knowledge, which is a good investment. Hopefully I can help you with increasing the return on investment from watching this video. There is a bit of a risk and reward in every single investment. Maybe you spend your time 30 minutes researching something and it actually gives you incorrect information. That is obviously a bad investment. Same with money. You can put your money into a bad stock and lose all of your money. Now, one of the big things is investment is interoperable. It is very intertwined with other things, right? So investing your time to increase your return of investment on your stocks is huge. And that is actually something that the software helps you with, which, by the way, 99-cent trial down in the description. You're here, and obviously you're looking for better ways to maximize your investments. Right now, one of the big things is diversifying, as we mentioned in the previous videos, diversifying your investment portfolio. Now, sometimes you have stocks, sometimes you need that information, which you need to hit the subscribe and the bell notification for a return on that investment. So one of the big things that you're going to want to do is you are going to want to optimize your time. You're going to want to do your due diligence on your stocks. You're going to want to research the underlying assets. And this is really, really big. And a lot of new investors do not understand this, and they just go in willy-nilly off of something that they read on Twitter or a news article or the hype, and they FOMO in. So making sure that you generate that return is very big when it comes to knowledge. That means reading the white papers on certain things, reading the stock portfolio of ETFs. What does it cover? Understanding the underlying assets behind what it is that you are investing in is probably one of the biggest steps that you can do to return better gains on your investments when it comes to stocks, and also signing up for the software down below. But that aside, this is something that a lot of people don't understand and really kind of gloss over. A lot of times it takes a couple of losses, major losses of money, before they realize that they have to diversify. So make sure that you are investing in diversifying your portfolio of knowledge. And this is going to be a bit of a short one, but I did want to cover what investing is and making sure that you understand that you need to invest in more than just stocks. So make sure you guys do hit the subscribe button, smash that bell notification so that you can be updated on all of the videos that we do. We have a plethora of videos on the channel ranging from multiple topics. So make sure you guys do check back and put that nose to the grindstone and increase your return on investment. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take it easy.